In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a GIF on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first let me show you how you can easily download GIF on your device. So first open up Safari browser, it can be any browser, and then in search box just type in GIF, then hit go, and here you can tap add images and look for GIFs that you want to save. Let's say I want to save that one, so I'll just tap on it, and now here all I have to do is just hold down on that GIF until it comes up, and from here tap on Save to Photos. It saves this GIF to my photo gallery, so now I can open up my photos and here I can find it. And now I can simply send it to any person using my WhatsApp Messenger. So I open up my WhatsApp, then here I can open up any conversation, here tap on plus sign, select photo and video library, and from here select GIF that I have just downloaded. And now I can just hit on that send button to send this GIF to a recipient. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.